Hello, Eric.
Yeah, man, what's up, dude?
Hello, Eric. Christian here from BOTB. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, brother, not too bad. Why you caught me on the day when I'm working?
What are you doing? What's your job?
Dreaming looking on you,
What are you doing? What's your job?
It's a dream, is it?
It's not a dream. This isn't a dream. This is actually happening, Eric.
Why, blood, you're joking?
I've not even told him what he's on yet.
Oh, it's so good. I can't believe it. But I don't
Eric,
believe
what's
You're joking.
I've not told you what you've won yet, Eric.
I don't know what you told me what I won.
What do you do for a job, just before I tell you? What do you do? Where are you? What are you doing?
I'm in Redditch, and I keep the area Redditch clean from graffiti. I just make sure it's all nice and tidy for the community.
Fantastic. Amazing. Well, I do have some good news for you, Eric. You entered into the BOTB Lifestyle I can't even tell him what he's won. I'm not... Eric, let me show you what you've won.
I don't know what I won yet.
No, you don't. Yeah. No, let me tell you. Eric, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner of the lifestyle competition. Eric, you've just won a £50,000 home makeover.
Yeah, baby.
I love this guy.
You're joking.
I'm not joking.
Oh, baby.
50 grand home makeover.
Oh, my word. I'm telling you, my house needs it.
What are you going to spend it on first?
Well, I think I need a new car myself. I like to smell a new car because I want to keep smelling used cars at the moment. My heart is racing at the moment.
You say you want a new car. This is for a home makeover. You can take the cash and buy a car if you want, but is there anything you want to buy for your home?
Definitely electrics need to be sorted out because everything's so dodgy in the place. It's like a dodgy house of horrors.
It sounds it, yeah. Well, you're going to have £50,000 to spend on your house.
Oh, God, I can't believe you calling me.
When you answered the phone and you saw my face there, what was your first thought?
And when I saw BOTB on the video, I said, no way. I gotta tap this. Thank you very much. Do you need my account, my card to go and put the money into my account?
Yeah, no, we'll do all that. Yeah, we won't do that over the phone because I'm video recording this, so we won't read out your account number over the phone. But yeah, we'll get all the details for you, and then we'll send you the money so you can buy all your home improvement stuff.
Okay, thank you.
Absolutely, our pleasure. Eric, have a fantastic day. I love what you do as well, keeping everything nice and clean up there where you live. It's fantastic.
Well,
cheers, Eric.
Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Be our next winner. This near £700,000 house and the car for 99p.
Someone's got to win it, and that winner should be you. Click the link in our bio.